there's that lucky unexpected opportunity. We hit the low again. Is it a lower low or the same low? It's roughly the same low. A little bit less, a little bit higher price level than that. But for the most part, best opportunity in the day. Also great opportunity to open up a long position. My sense is that this price level here is where we're seeing the satiety card, and we see that again tomorrow. I'd be interested. The fact that we have this labradorite here indicates that it may, to me, it seems like it may be the same price level. It depends on where we close today. Probably, matter of fact, probably not the same price level, because remember we've got this Aeon card, and then we have got this Aeon card here. It's almost like this rally continues into the morning, and then the rally ends in the morning on the 22nd. Yesterday, I was saying to close out a long position on the 22nd midday. I'm thinking that probably makes sense to do it right at the open, at this completion of the rally here. It's probably a safer bet to do it there. Poke higher through resistance, stay above it briefly, then break back down. It also created the new local high abundance card, right? And so what we should be seeing relatively soon is a push to the upside, probably a new high. Okay, well there's a correlation here at the end of the day to the universe card. Sorry if you hear all these animals, guys. I'm watching some pets over the holidays. It's a bit of a zoo in here right now. But hey, it's real good money. Not gonna front. I mean, it's a few extra $1,000 a month. Like, so moving to New York, it's definitely an opportunity to make some side money there. Yeah, I'd probably sell those first thing in the morning, Raymond. How are you? How did you do this morning? put you in separate rooms. Yeah, so we should see that relatively soon because we've got this abundance. It's just slightly newer high, right? So we've come back down to the other end of that, and we should see this big push. And probably in like the last half hour, there should be a significant move higher. We might even see a higher high. It's possible, based on the Aeon card pushing the upper end of a range higher. It could be this range here, you know, but it could also be the range of the day. Yeah. And so we open higher, it looks like tomorrow, and there's this completion of a rally. So the Aeon card continues overnight into tomorrow morning, and then right around the open we have a completion of a rally. Right around the open is when I would close out of those calls. What do you mean you lost? I thought you were in puts. You weren't in puts this morning, Raymond? So in any case, guys, here's that opportunity we were speaking of. It didn't go quite as low. Well, matter of fact, it did. It went slightly lower. Oh, yikes. Hey, stop barking. Microsoft. I was looking at the Microsoft chart. We had that drop. That's really weird. Yikes. That's frustrating. Yeah, see, what the heck is that about? So we have the drop in Microsoft. We don't have it in when I look at the Microsoft chart, but we don't have it in the S&P. Man, that sucks. Can anybody else tell we're feeling the effects of Mercury retrograde already? Because my mic was too far away. Testing. Yeah, that's better. Damn, man, that's really frustrating. Alright, what is going on with these charts? We did have a drop there. Sorry guys, I don't know what's going on with these charts. They're like changing way slowly and like shows me the letters, but then the chart doesn't change with it. It's freaking weird. So we did have a drop. Tesla for tomorrow. It's selling from a peak or crest, a notable sell-off. A notable sell-off from a peak or crest. Definitively bearish tomorrow for Tesla, Carolyn. I'm so frustrated. What happened? Let me see here. No barking. You're gonna go in, hey, you're gonna go up in a separate room. No barking. You know better. Hey. Hey.
Gigi. No barking, Gigi. Come here, you goofball. Come here, you goofball. I got you. I got you.
Yeah, just lots of little funky things that happen that give away that we're under the influence. Like, I could, if I didn't follow a calendar, I'd still be able to tell you guys really pretty within like a day or so that we were under the influence, just because of like all the things that go awry. Like, I was watching a video on YouTube, I closed the video and the volume just kept going even though there was no video playing anymore. You know, little weird things like that. Yeah. Raymond, tell me what happened, man. I thought we were short going into this morning. Yeah, see, now the chart has changed again. Wow, E-Trade is really pissing me off. So I was looking at the Microsoft chart thinking that there was a drop, but really it just hadn't switched yet. It said SPY, but it was Microsoft. So yeah, so we missed the drop there. That I see what you're talking about, Raymond. That really is frustrating. My gosh, we had it 2 days in a row, and then we don't have it on the third day. shop. I'd say that's definitively bullish. I got the Sun card, but let me do that over. It was a little interesting. It's like it was a reversed card. What is going on here? Yeah, see now my cards are like half up, half down. Good old Mercury retrograde. Let me do that reading over. Hermes, what are you doing, buddy? What are you doing? Alright, shop's overall behavior, trend direction tomorrow. I got the Sun card again, wow. Like, Sun card flipped over automatically by itself. When I opened up the deck, it was there, and then I shuffled and drew the Sun card for the same question. So shops definitively, it's like the start of a rally there. Notable move to the upside. SQ. A decline to and through support level. We rotate sideways along the second support level. And TELL. There's an intentional fake out, shake out of some kind tomorrow. It looks like even in the face of negative headwinds, there's still going to be a move to the upside. So it may start in like a decline kind of early in the day. But overall, it's going to be a move to the upside. So probably a fake out early in the day to the downside would be my guess. What the heck? So on the 20th, it doesn't say to trade there. Like, what the heck? It just doesn't make sense to me. Everything lines up, and then we come to that final moment when we want to close out, and it's like off. Because see, we've got the full card here continuing. This is when the decline kind of started on the 19th, really. Right? We had this big move. Well, no, it started on the 16th. But we had this big move downward here through the 19th. Full card at the high there on the 20th. And then what the heck? There should be a drop here. And then the full card. XLE. It's rotation along a key support level that ends with a fast sudden move to the upside. See, and then we've got the failure card, right? The failure card there. Correlation at the end of the day. What is going on? There's something I'm missing here. Hey Doug, welcome. Yeah, I mean, we do have another low there in the morning on the 27th. And there'll be a significant move to the upside out of that low, but that's probably the last low. And I'm just really frustrated because we should have seen, based on the 1 year, we should have seen another low here at the end of the day, and for whatever reason, or at the beginning of the day, for whatever reason, we didn't see it. My only guess is it has something to do with the rule of karma. Eso-XL look for the week. We meet a critical resistance level and then we decline with consecutively lower spikes up on the way down. That's Eso-XL for the rest of the week. Yeah, it's, wow, really frustrating there. So we've got this. Let's move higher. That's pretty much what the strife card indicates. We meet a resistance level and then we decline with consecutively lower spikes up on the way down. Oh, well, that's XLE. XLE. The strife card was for SOXL. Interesting. Okay, so well, we do have this sharp decline here in this ruin, but it should come back with a big move to the upside to push the upper end of a range higher. So we might see that in like the post-market or whatnot, but there is the completion of a rally here in the post-market marked by a fast sudden move higher. So it could be that Aeon card, fast sudden move higher, and then a decline through that diagonal trend line. So guys, regarding the rule of karma, it's important to understand the rule of karma needs to be followed for every trade. Not like, let me do like 5 trades, and if I do well, like out of all 5, then I'll do rule of karma. That's not the way it works. The work has been done for each trade, not for like the cumulative of the trades. I'm doing free work for every single trade and every single reading, and when money is made, the rule of karma would have it that some of that money should be sent back to the channel. There shouldn't be any like waiting, let me see how I do on the next trade. That's not fair. That's not how it works. Karma will bite you in the ass, my friends. I promise you that. It's innate within the rule of karma. When you make money, take a bit of that, pay it forward, a bit of it, pay it back. Don't set it aside and say, hey, let's see how I do on the next one. That's not karmically behavior. That's not karmic behavior. Like you're not, that's, you might mean to do well, but that's scarcity mind, and that will create more scarcity. You must follow the rule of karma with every trade. I mean, Doug, it's not really hard to tell. Like, you just have to look at the cards. There's not a lot of speculation once you realize that the majority of the time the cards are telling like 100% accuracy. So there's not much speculation. Like, we don't go by technical charts. We don't go by hearsay. We don't go by like facts of any kind. Here at Tarot for Traders, we go by what the cards tell us. They're the only indicators speaking of the future based on the future. Everything else is predicting the future based on past. That's not how you predict the future. So, you know, I mean, you can speculate, but the fact is the cards are right 98% of the time. Well, the cards are right all the time. I'm right 98% of the time when reading the cards, I should say. See, there we go. There's that big move, right? Yeah, no, I'm telling you, I understand you. No worries, man. I'm just saying, like, it's funny because it's like there's all these reasons that people, like, you know, they look at like these classical ways to like interpret what the you know, the stock's going to do next, and it's like all of that is important, but not nearly as important as what the cards say, because the cards will tell me what none of that stuff can see. All of those, the technical analysis, all of the classical ways of trading, they're all based on the past. The cards are speaking directly of the future, if that makes sense. And they see things that technical charts can't tell you. They see things that are unexpected, that there's no way to know ahead of time without the cards. You'll see, man, as we work together, you'll see. Hey! What you barking about, my man? What you barking about? What you barking about? You little funny guy? You little funny girl. Well, you're a girl. Little funny girl. Yeah. You're a big barker, huh? Mwah. You're a big barker. Are you jealous, Hermes? Come here, you goofball. Come here, you goofball. You don't have to get jealous. You know I love you. Mwah. You're the best, you know? You're the best. I know. Thank you. Go play. I mean, the reading that we're looking at right here for 1221, my friend, was created on November 6th. Sorry, created on October 26th. The reading that we're doing today for December's reading by the hour was created on October 26th. So I don't know if D.W. Gunn is predicting markets by the hour 2 months in advance. Maybe, but I doubt it. I tend to be the only person on the planet capable of doing that as of right now anyways. Well, actually, that's not true anymore. There's people that have purchased the book, and I'm hearing that they're getting great results utilizing the system. So I'm not the only one anymore, but when it comes down to it, as far as the psychics in the world are concerned, financial psychics, I'm at the top of the list, man. There's nobody that comes close to my detail. Nobody. I was a Wall Street broker in 2007. I had a near-death experience left, but I kept all of the knowledge that I had when I was on Wall Street as I explored the world of the unseen. Well, welcome, Doug. Glad to have you, my friend. So, like, there's like this, where is it? The 2020... See, like, this is the 1 year reading for 2022 for the S&P 500. It's created on May 11th, 2021. We're still using it today, right? We had a decline, a notable decline to a low for the month of December through multiple support levels, right? Boom. This was literally created like almost a year and a half in advance of where we're using it right now. I mean, I could go out like 10, 20, 30. It really doesn't matter. I could go out like 100 years from now and get the same results. You know, it's time. It's not. This system isn't based on something that has to do with time. It's timeless. We're drawing information from outside of the realm of time, from a timeless realm, the Akasha, or the Akashic field, if you will. All right, guys. Any last questions? I'm gonna do some more readings, but before I go, I want to see what you guys think. See, there's this push to the upside. I would have expected to be a bit higher, but we went lower than I expected to, so that makes sense. Yeah, I mean, based on the 1 month, we have another notable bottom for the month here, right in the morning of the 27th, and then a big move to the upside. And when we look at the daily for the 27th, it is a notable move higher. We've got the Aeon card and that completion card again here. Interesting. And then a death card low at the beginning of the day. All right, my friend Raymond, have a good night, man. Sorry I let you down, dude. Hopefully we'll bring it back tomorrow. Thanks for watching, everybody. Make sure you follow that Rule of Karma. And for those of you that are new, Rule of Karma, guys, when you make that money from the information of these readings, pay 5% of that forward to somebody who needs it, doesn't see it coming. Keep the flow going through the universe. Take 5% of that profit and you pay it back to the channel. Help the channel keep going. We're doing all this work for free. Each one of these monthlies takes like 4 hours of work, guys. Easily. You know? And, you know, so 5% forward, 5% backwards, that still leaves you with 90% more than you would have had without the information. And you take that 90%, spend it on whatever you want to spend it on. Just make sure you do it out of love, and the universe will make, you know, send it back to you tenfold in all directions. But it's utmost important, critical, guys, that you follow this rule. like you could do well, and then if you don't follow the rule, the universe is going to take it back from you. It's just the way it works. You have to do it trade by trade, not like at the end of the year or like cumulatively. That's not fair to the people working here on the team. We're doing hard work, gains are being made. We should see a little piece of that. Whether or not there's a loss the next time, it's the work is being done either way. So can I review tomorrow? Sure thing.
Hey guys, what are you doing?
All right, so this rally, this Aeon card continues into tomorrow morning. We should see this rally, probably this push higher continue, and then right around the open we have a completion of a bullish trend. That's a trade opportunity. That's where it'd likely get out of the long position that was opened in the morning here. There's like a drop and pop in like around the first hour, and then a critical resistance level highlighted between roughly 10 and 11 with a short, like a brief peak that'll be easily missed somewhere around like 11 to 1, somewhere in there, 11 to 1. There's a brief peak that'll be easily missed. We'll rally into it, but there'll be a brief peak that's easily missed and a sharp sell-off from that brief peak. Decline continues into like mid-afternoon, and then there's another critical price level that's highlighted right around the end of the day, another resistance level that's highlighted at the end of the day. And that Ace of Wands is likely where I would get in on the short side. The following day, which is the 27th, we have the Ace of Cups, like here. Well, there's two places where you might be able to sell, but my sense is that there's a big move higher throughout the day, so I'd probably want to sell at the beginning of the day right here. If I was opening up puts that I purchased here at the beginning of the day on the 23rd.
Hey.
Be nice. It's definitely a choppy day tomorrow, but there'll be a new local high, so we'll see a higher price level tomorrow at some point. All right, my friends, I'm gonna roll. Yeah, I hear you. Thanks for watching, my friends. I'll see you tomorrow.